Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Milady meme coin. Ticker symbol is Ladies, L-A-D-Y-S. This is a meme coin, obviously it's right in the name. But this is number one in the top gainer section right now. It is up 3,642.65%. Going insane. Now hopefully it's up for good reasons, because it could be up, because of a honeypot or something like that. One person just wrote 2 hours ago, "Ladies, the ultimate pump and dump." So you never know what's going to happen here, but this token is number one right now, going like crazy. Number two, actually, which is up like 2,800% or something crazy as well, is Shibone Inu. Now, I did do a video on that token a long time ago, so check that one out. I'm going to link it at the end of the video if I remember. It'll pop up. Otherwise, you can just search it, Shibone Inu, S-H-I-B-O-N-E space Inu. That token is up thousands of percent as well, trending number two right now, but this is number one, going crazy, this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So right now they have 3,369 holders, 12,986 transfers. Fully diluted market cap is about $40 million. 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of a little bit over 888 trillion tokens. A max total supply. So their Twitter says they just joined in May 2023, so this is a very, very brand new project here. I thought this token might be an older token that just pumped because it was a meme token, but no, it seems to be a very brand new project. And yeah, 21,100 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well on Twitter. And besides that, their webpage has tokenomics, how to buy, roadmap, connect your wallet, buy now button, info, NFTs, all sorts of links. They have a link to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, their Etherscan, Dex Tools chart, Uniswap, Discord, 2 different Telegrams, and a Twitter. One is probably a chat Telegram, the other one's probably an announcement Telegram, but you can find all of that on their webpage, and that is milady.gg, milady.gg. All the info's on there. So Milady's knew this coin would come. Ladies may not be the meme coin Milady's wants, but ladies is the meme coin Milady's need in the times of unbridled memetic power. You like art? We make the coin. So this is very much a meme coin. Welcome to Ladies, the meme coin of Milady NFT collection. And you can see the whole NFT collection on their webpage. Ladies is the tokenization of the fully memetically optimized white pill. Ladies is not just another meme coin. Ladies is self-organized meme coin. Ladies is the drip currency. Ladies is the point of karma, charm, and beauty. Ladies is an accumulation of clout. Milady meme coin is ladies, and ladies is the meme coin for miladies. Okay, so there's some airdrops here. You can claim your airdrops if you were involved with that. A lot of them have been claimed already, it looks like. So it says how to buy this token. Download MetaMask wallet of choice from the Google Play Store. You can get a Trust wallet, same thing. Get some ETH, have Ethereum in your wallet, switch to Milady's. If you don't have any ETH, you can buy it directly from MetaMask, transfer from another wallet, or buy from an exchange, send it to your wallet. Go to Uniswap. Connect to Uniswap. Go to app.uniswap.org. And then switch your ETH for the Ladies token. It says there is 0 taxes, so you will not need to worry about changing slippage or anything like that. Gives you step-by-step on their webpage how to use Uniswap if you are lost. Now, token allocation, 94% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool, 5% goes to the ecosystem, 1% airdrop. So it says 95% of the tokens were sent to the LP pool, LP was burnt, and contract renounced. 1% of the supplies was airdropped to Pepe and Milady NFT holders. The remaining 5% of the supply is being held in a multi-sig wallet, only to be used as tokens for future centralization of exchange listings, bridges, and liquidity pools. This wallet is easily trackable with the ENS name MiladyMeme.eth. So that's where you could find that. Now, they do have a roadmap. Goes in 3 different phases. Phase 1 is launch phase. Phase 2 is vibe and hodl phase. Phase 3 is the Milady takeover. The path is never promised, but it gets clearer with each step. So phase 1 of the roadmap is going to be launch, then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, 1,000 holders. Get Lady trending on Twitter with unbridled memetic power. Phase 2, community partnerships. The Lady Times digital newsletter. Formation of token-gated Discord group. Milady Palace for holders. And more details to be announced. And then we have central exchange listings will come at 10,000 plus holders, it says. They're also going to have phase 3 Milady merchandise. So you'll be able to buy and rock some Milady meme merch. Then they're going to have the Milady Academy, Milady Tools. So these are all just meme utilities, basically. Tier 1 exchange listings at 100,000 plus holders. Ladies token becoming the quintessential token for internet spirituality is in the last phase. So Lady's coin has no association with Charlotte Fang or the creation of Milady Maker. This token is simply paying homage to an NFT collection we love and recognize. Ladies is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. Therefore, is no formal team or roadmap. There is a roadmap. And so, yeah, it's for entertainment purposes only, and it's completely useless. But, yes, they don't have a full roadmap or whatever. They don't have their team docs. They don't have an audit. So just be aware of that. There's little to no security on this token. But it is going crazy today. It's up 3,400% right now, according to CoinMarketCap in the top gainer section. So go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.